Good morning, everyone. So the past few days we've been starting to rip out all the sheet metal inside the bus. We've been taking screws out, and there's a lot of screws in this bus. Luckily, there's screws, not rivets. I feel for everybody who has bought a bus that has rivets in it. I have been starting to take out the seat mounts. The seat mounts are bolted down, it looks like, but the bolts don't want to come out, so I've been having to grind them off, along with grinding off some of the screws that Victoria's been taking out, have stripped, and we have to grind them off as well.
I'm Victoria.
And I'm Rory, and these are our two dogs, Misty and Kita. We live in beautiful British Columbia, Canada.
We're converting our 2004 Thomas bus, named Freedom 25, into our home on wheels, so that we can get out, explore, adventure, and do more of the things we love. Because experiences are more sacred than materials.
So today, we're going to finish that. We're going to grind off the rest of the seat mounts, and we're going to start taking down panels from the roof. So we've taken down some panels back here, and it looks like this bus is in pretty good shape. We don't have any major leaks or any problems that I can see so far. So it looks good. We've noticed that when we take all the screws out of a panel, it doesn't just fall on our heads. So that's kind of nice. You do have to get a pry bar behind the corners here, just behind this lip here, and pop that out. Once you get the corner, the top just kind of falls out. So be very careful doing this. So once you pull down your sheet metal, you're gonna find this insulation material. It's not fiberglass, so I haven't been wearing a mask, but I'm not sure if it's just me. I am a little bit irritated by this stuff. Maybe it's just the dust. As you can see, it's just a thin, almost like a filter sort of material. Once you pull that out, you can check. Make sure there's no big rust spots or anything in your roof where it would tell you that you had a leak somewhere. We're looking pretty good so far. And of course, you're gonna have to deal with wiring later. These are from some speakers.
To take out the seat brackets, I used a 4.5-inch grinder with a 1/8 inch cutoff blade, and I kind of went in on a little bit of an angle on the bolts. And then when I came back with the pry bar, I could actually break the mount free of the bolt. I just had to angle the grinder enough to get underneath the head of the bolt.
Well, that concludes our day. We got the sheet metal off the roof, we got all the seat brackets off, and we did a big clean. Tomorrow we are probably going to keep taking out windows and the rest of the panels on the walls. Don't forget, follow us on Instagram at Freedom25Bus. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys later.